Okay, guys, this is a review of MTA and how we're getting on. So remember, with a MTA, we don't trade necessarily every day. We're very patient for the times and levels that are most appropriate for our clients to make money. And we keep our clients out of the market when the market is not really moving, it's chopping around, and there's no real clear direction. So the reports are very, very simple to use. Every day we have a little bit of analysis. On this report, we're saying that at 6990, we're still positive on FTSE. We had a trade of the day. Now, the trade of the day for MTA is a trade where you put it into your broker. You can put a limit, your stop, your target. There's nothing really you need to do. We tell you exactly what to do, and we manage that via an app which sits on your phone. In fact, these reports also are delivered to your app on your phone before the market opens. So that's the trade of the day. Then we have buy signals and sell signals. So buy signals, we were saying above 7060, we're expecting a move up to 7126. So you can look for any buy signals after the open, either on the 1 or 5 minute chart. Remember, most of our trades are day trades, so we're getting in and out, and we're liquid at the end of the day. So low risk trading. And then we have sell trades. So these are levels where we feel that you should be using the MTA to get you into sell trades. And we didn't have any yesterday, so it was left blank. So only looking for buys yesterday. And then we have a 15% ATR calculation. This is what we actually base our stops on. And this level changes every day. It's linked to volatility. So as volatility increases in the market, so does the ATR. And of course, as volatility goes down, the ATR will also reduce. So the key thing yesterday was the trade of the day and the buy signal. The trade of the day didn't actually set up. You'll see in a moment, we didn't get down to 7050, so that didn't trigger. So we want to focus on the only other option for the day. Very simple. Look for buy signals above 7060 using the 1 or 5 minute chart. Let's go and have a look at the FTSE price action from yesterday and see what happened. Okay, we are looking at a 5 minute chart here on the FTSE. I will go back into the 1 minute in a second. But you can see the market opens on this candlestick here, and we didn't get down to 7050. So the trade of the day did not set up. We didn't get down to the 7050 levels. So the only other thing then is you need to use the magnetic trading system to get you into any buys above 7060. The rule really is in the first half an hour, and certainly if you're above or below a key level that we've mentioned, you can use the 1 minute chart. And then really after the first half an hour, you must revert to a 5 minute chart because volatility then moves a lot lower. So let's just flick over to the 1 minute chart now. Okay, we're on a 1 minute chart now. So the FTSE opens at this level here, and you'll see I've drawn a red line across 7060. So you'll see just after the open, the FTSE is above 7060. So then it's just a case of using the MTA to look for buy signals. Now the MTA will create a green box if a buy signal is created. So as soon as the green box comes, you take a 2-pip break of the candlestick in question. So this was a green box, and then it's a break of this bar that gets you out. You can base your risk on 12 points, which was 15% ATR. Again, we give that every day. And because you'll come out of this when it comes out of the box, okay? But you do need to work out what your stop or your risk is before you enter the trade. So we base it on 15% ATR. You would have got in here, and then you ride it really up until we come out of the box, or we instruct you via the phone app to get out, which in this case we did. You'll see we did an update and we said for our clients to come out near 7090. and then use the 5-minute chart after that to look for buy signals. Now, the important thing I want you to focus on here is the risk reward on this one. So, and again, this is typical on many of the trades that we do on MTA using the green box and the red box approach. 12-point stop, but look at the gains that we made. So we're making almost 2 to 1 on this trade. So we're risking 1, but we're making 2. So 12 points was the risk, but we're making nearly 24 points on this trade. So that's incredibly good for MTA. And then when you lose, you're losing small as well. So that's the first part of the trade. Then we go to a 5-minute chart. So let's flick over to the 5-minute chart, because then it's a case of then looking for buy signals for the rest of the day, because we're still above 7060, so all is good. Okay, so this is what happened on the 5-minute chart. Again, here's your open here, and then we had a green box form here, but it didn't trigger, it didn't break the bar, so nothing there. This one did, so you would have got in around the 7094, 95 area, and this one actually resulted in a loss. So you would have got out, you would have got in on a break here, you would have got out when it came out of the box. So you would have lost around 6-7 points on this particular trade here. Again, you were risking 12, so you wouldn't have lost a full 1% on this trade, or 2% if you're risking that. Then you can look for another buy signal. Usually if I get 2 stops in a row, I'll call it a day. But in this case, we get another buy signal that comes in. It breaks the bar here, and then we stay in the trade. And then I updated our clients on the app to say come out or take 75% of the trade at least near 7130. So it hits 7130, and then we come down, and then we've left 25% in the market to close at the end of the day. The market closed around 7130.40 yesterday. I need to double check, but we closed pretty much on the highs yesterday. So that was the way we traded MTA. That's how we use the reports. It's a combination of giving you a report every day, which sits on your phone before the market opens, so you know exactly what to do. Then you just wait for the buy signals, the green box to appear or the red box, and then we update you if need be. And again, there will be days where you won't trade if the market is not above a certain level or below a certain level. There, you simply don't use the red box or green box trading. We use it when it's appropriate, and that avoids many losses in the market. So if you took these trades yesterday, let me know how you got on. Let me know how you're getting on with MTA as well.